welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hey girl, my name is Liz, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing one hair mask. Alright, so this is the Creme of Nature with argan oil from Morocco for natural hair. So this is basically a strengthening hair mask. It restores and rebuilds hair, it helps distressed curls, and also it's a deep treatment. Alright, I love deep treatment. Alright guys, so this is what we are going to be reviewing today. So before we get into it, I would like you to quickly go down below and hit that subscribe button now if you haven't already done so, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time I post a video on this channel. Alright, so without wasting our time, let us get right into it. Okay, so this is how the product looks like, and the packaging says that it's ideal for deep conditioning or core washing. And let me just show you guys the consistency of the product and how it is inside. So as you guys can see, this is how much product we have inside here. I love the consistency. It is very heavy, which is very great for my hair because my hair is 4C. Yeah, the consistency is not watery. It's good, you know, it's buttery, it's creamy. I love it. Now I'm gonna start applying the product to my hair. I have already shampooed my hair, but I did not condition it, obviously, because I want to feel this hair mask, you know, just to see how it is. So the packaging says there's no sulfates, no paraben, mineral oil, or petroleum in this product. As I mentioned earlier, that the product is quite heavy, so as I applied it to my hair, I feel like my hair was taking a lot of it. Like it wasn't getting absorbed in my hair very quickly because, you know, it's heavy, and I feel like I had to use a huge amount of product to my hair in order, you know, for all my hair strands to get, you know, the benefit of the product. It says that the product is formulated for distressed hair. It repairs, strengthens, and reclaims healthy curls. It also deep moisturizes your hair. It helps prevent damage, and it also packed with essential nutrient. That's a lot, so we are gonna find that out now. I'll give you guys my final thought just now after I rinsed my hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put a plastic bag on my hair. Guys, I stayed in this plastic bag for about 20 to 30 minutes because I really wanted my hair to be very well conditioned. Just showing you guys the amount of product I've used already. My hair took a lot of product simply because the product is heavy, and you know, I did not get any slip, and therefore my hair took a lot of product. I'm coming back, I'm coming back, I'm coming back. Okay. You guys, I'm back, and this is how my hair looks like. I don't know, my hair feels a little bit dry. It feels as if I need a conditioner, or I need to use another hair mask. I don't feel like I've just used a hair mask now. I don't understand. I don't know. Guys, I'm a little bit disappointed because I was expecting a lot from this product. Yeah, so at this point I was a little bit down. I felt like I needed to like go in with another conditioner, but anyways, I decided to do a quick length check for you guys because I remember I did this a long time. And yeah, so all in all, this product was okay. It wasn't bad, like bad. It was just okay, and I would give it a 6 out of 10. If you want to try the product, you may go ahead and do that. As for me, I will not be purchasing it again. All right, thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.